Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a mini project which checks if the website is online, and then what it will do for you, it will create a short text report and print in the time. Okay, so what we do is we create a path here to my desktop. So this is the unique desktop path to my desktop Your desktop path is going to be different to this, and then we use CHDIR, which is change directory, so we change into this path. Now we create a variable here called myScalarLocalTime, and we assign it to the local time function. Right, then we create a subroutine, and I've called the subroutine website online. We use the print command to tell the user what to do, which is to enter a website URL. That will be something like https :// example.com. Then we use the chomp to get rid of the new line, and we create a scalar variable called URL, and we assign that to standard input, which will grab the user input. Now we go on to the conditional to evaluate things. So we use if, and then this word here, head, and then scalar URL, so if we can grab the header there, we're going to create the file. It's going to be open myscalarfh file handler, and we use this here, which will create and write the file. Give the file a name, webinfo.txt, and it will be saved on the desktop because that's where we set the path to. Okay, then we do a generic error handler, or die. If something goes wrong, we just throw them a message. Error creating file. Okay. Then what we do, we use the print command again, scalar file handler, and into the file handler we will print some info and a timestamp. So website, then we're going to interpolate URL into here, online at, and then we're going to do scalar local time, so that will interpolate the local time into there that the website was checked. Okay, then all we have to do is close that file, so close scalar file handler there. Okay, right, what we'll do is we'll just tell the user what we've done. So print report created here, scalar path. Okay, then we have to come on to the catch-all, which is the else. If that's not the case, we've got to I think we'll create another file here. So we'll create it, start with open, we're going to create another file, my scalar file handler 2, I'll call that. We're going to use this to create and write the file, and we're just going to simply call it the same thing, webinfo txt there, or die error creating file. Okay, and then we simply print FH2 and website scalar URL that we typed in, not online at, then we interpolate the local time into here, local time, a new line. Okay, and then we simply close that file, FH2, and then we print report created here, which is going to be scalar path. Okay, so now all we've got to do is to save it and to call the program. So I'm going to call it website online. Let's just save that. Let's just run the program. Okay, got a little bit of an error here. Let's check this out. Okay, slight issue here. Comma. Let's save it. Let's run it. Okay, so there we go. Enter website URL. So I'm going to enter https example.com. Enter. Report created here. Okay, let's check out the report, which should be web info, which is here. And there we go. So website example.com, online Friday at that particular time. Okay, let's just delete that. Let's run it again. This time we'll enter in a dodgy website. So https something like, there can't be a website named that, .com. Okay, hit enter. Report created. Okay, so the website is not online because it doesn't exist. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, and I'll catch you guys in another video. Bye-bye.